analytics and reports. Download the app now. Ultimate route to JEE success with JEE Test Prep app by Extramarks. Adaptive testing platform. India's top faculty. Micro-scheduling. Live and recorded sessions. Doubt-solving sessions. National level weekly test. Analytics and reports. Download the app now. Ultimate route to JEE success with JEE Test Prep app by Extramarks. Adaptive testing platform. India's top faculty. Micro-scheduling. Live and recorded sessions. Doubt-solving sessions. National level weekly test. Analytics and reports.
Hello students, this is Dhana Kumar. Now I am going to discuss about some previous year's JEE questions in differentiation chapter. Okay, in last session we discussed a few questions in JEE. Now I am going to discuss few more JEE questions in differentiation chapter. Okay, let us see. Now see that first question. F of x is equal to determinant of first row contains values x cube, sin x, cos x, and second row some values are there, third row also values are there. Where p is constant, then find d cube by dx cube of f of x at x is equal to 0 is dash. Means here you observe this one, f of x is equal to 3 by 3 determinant is there. Now you differentiate that f of x how many times? 3 times. After finding 3 times differentiation, put x is equal to 0. Then what is that answer? Right. To find out determinant of this given problem separately. First to find determinant of this question. After finding determinant, now differentiate as usual. Right, this is one method. Second method is direct one formula is there. Right, what about that formula? Now I am applying that second method. Derivative of 3 by 3 determinant. Derivative of 3 by 3 determinant. See here I am writing derivative of f of x is equal to now observe this one. Here 3 rows are there, 3 by 3 determinant. So here 3 determinants exist. If 2 by 2 determinants, 2 determinants exist. Okay, means just you observe this one here. Differentiation procedure is differentiate first row values. Differentiate only first row values. Remaining 2 rows write down as it is. Remaining 2 rows write down as it is. Understood? Right. Now let us see here. First row differentiation values I am writing in first part of determinant. Now what about x cube derivative? X cube derivative is what? 3x square. So here I am writing 3x square. Next, sin x. Sin derivative is what? Cos. So cos x. Next, cos derivative minus sin. So I am writing here minus sin. So total here 3 by 3 determinant. That is why 3 parts exist. First part you write down first row differentiation values. And what about remaining 2 rows? Remaining 2 rows write down as it is. Okay, right. That is second row, third row as it is I am writing. 6 minus 1 0. Third row p square p cube. Finish first part plus second part. In second determinant you write second row derivatives. Write second row derivative. First row, third row, write down as it is. First row, third row as it is. Okay. First row values are what? X cube sin x, next cos x. Second row differentiation. See here, in second row, all values are constants. What about constant derivative? 0. So I am writing 0, 0, 0. Third row, as it is, I am writing. Third row values p, p square, p cube. Okay? Plus, coming to third part. In third part, you write only third row derivatives. First row, second row as it is. First row, second row as it is. Only third row derivatives write down. Understood? Right. First row values are what? X cube sin x cos x. Second row 6 minus 1 0. Coming to third row. Here given condition, you observe this one, p is what? Constant. So p is constant means p square also constant, p cube also constant, right? Now constant derivative is what? 0. So here I am writing 0, 0, 0, right? Now simplification, you observe this one. First part determinant as it is I am writing. So derivative of f of x denoted by what? F dash. So f dash of x is equal to, first part as it is I am writing 3x square cos x minus sin x. Second row values 6 minus 1 0. Third row p, p square, p cube. Okay. Then coming to second part determinant. See here, in second row all values are what? Zeros. According to determinant properties, in any one row or in any one column, any one row or in any one column, all the elements are zeros. All the elements are zeros. Then the value of the determinant is what? 0. So second part, that answer is 0. Coming to third one. Here also you see third row all elements are zeros. So third part determinant answer also what? 0 only. Finish. Here first time determinant completed, that is f dash of x over. But yet differentiate how many times here? 3 times. Differentiate 3 times. One time differentiation over. Now coming to second time. See next slide I am writing f dash of x, f dash of x derivative denoted by what? F double dash. So here I am writing f double dash of x. Okay. Now differentiate again this determinant. Same procedure. Total, because here 3 by 3 determinants, again 3 parts. First part, first row differentiation. Second part, second row differentiation. Third part, third row differentiation. Remaining rows as it is you write. Okay, right. Let us coming to this determinant. Here first row differentiation values I am writing. 3x square. 3x square derivative is what? X square derivative is 2x. 2x into 3, 6x. So 6x. Here I am writing 6x next Next element is, you observe this one, cos x. Cos derivative minus sine. Cos derivative is minus sine. Next, third element is what? Minus sine. So minus sine derivative will be what? Minus sine derivative is cos. So minus cos x. Minus cos x. Here I am writing minus remaining two rows as it is I am writing. What are that remaining two rows? You check it. Second row element 6 minus 1 0. So write here 6 minus 1 0. Third row elements you see p square pq. Okay. p square pq. Okay, plus next same procedure, first row as it is write down, second row differentiation. Okay, I think no need also. You see second row elements are what? 6 minus 1 0. These three are what? Constants. So derivative of constant is what? 0. In see here second row after differentiation all values are what? Zeros. So in any one row all elements are zeros, then that will be 0. Right. So means second part that answer is 0. Third part that answer also 0 only. I think no need to write also. Okay. Fine. Then next coming to third derivative. See here f triple dash of x. Again differentiate this one. See here 6x. 6x derivative is what? 6. Minus sin x. Minus sin derivative is cos. Next minus cos derivative minus sin. Minus into minus plus sin. Second row, third row as it is. Okay, 6 minus 1 0. Third row p square pq. Correct or not? Second part, third part again zeros only because constants. Okay, right. So 3 times differentiation over. But actually calculate what? Third derivative at x is equal to 0. So put x is equal to 0 here. Put x is equal to 0. F triple dash of 0. Okay. Answer will be, in this determinant you put x is equal to 0. Okay. 6 minus cos 0 how much? 1. And sin 0 0. Second row, third row constants. So as it is I am writing 6 minus 1 0. Third row is p square pq. Okay, right. Now once again see here determinant properties. According to determinant properties, in determinant if any two rows or any two columns are same, then the value of the determinant is how much? 0. Now see here first row elements, second row elements same. So determinant answer will be 0. Finish problem. So third derivative at x is equal to 0. Answer is what? Here we got 0. Okay. Right. Let us coming to next problem. See here y is equal to sin x power tan x. Then find dy by dx. See here Simple point. Already in previous session we discussed this method. Okay, let us see. Here, suppose given problem is there like this form. X power n means exponent constant. Exponent constant. Then apply x power n derivative formula. Suppose if it is there like this, base constant, if base constant, apply derivative of a power x form. Okay, both are constants. For example, 3 power 4, total part is what? Constant. Constant derivative 0. Suppose if base contains x variable, even in exponent also x variables are there, means given problem is in the form of what? F of x power g of x, right? F of x power g of x form is there. Then at that time, what is that procedure? In earlier session we discussed two methods. Okay, what is that method here? Method is apply log on both sides. Now here apply log concept. Okay, fine. And here we will use one formula, log formulas. What is the formula for log x power m? Log x power m formula is what? M log x. M log x. Okay, right. Now apply log on both sides. So log y is equal to log sin x power tan x. Okay, right. Now you observe this one, it is in the form of log x power m. Log x power m formula is what? M log x. M log x. So implies log y is equal to tan x into log sin x. Tan x into log sin x. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. With respect to x. See here, I am assuming this part as x. Means I am assuming, whenever you are assuming something as x, apply chain rule concept. Okay, right. It is in the form of log x. Log x derivative is what? Log x derivative is 1 by x. So 1 by y into derivative of assumption. Here derivative of y. Derivative of y is what? Denoted by dy by dx into dy by dx is equal to, coming to right side part. Here you see tan x into log. Into is there. Immediately apply which formula? U into V. Product rule formula. Okay. Right. U into V. What about derivative formula? U into derivative of V. So that is tan x into derivative of log sin x. Once again apply chain rule. It is in the form of log x. Log x derivative is what? Log x derivative is 1 by x. So 1 by sin x into derivative of sin. Sin derivative is cos. So sin derivative is cos x. Finish. U into derivative of V plus V into derivative of U. That is log sin x into derivative of tan. Tan derivative is what? Secant square x. So here I am writing secant square x. Now simplification. Actually find dy by dx. So this y shift that side. So dy by dx is equal to y into, see here, cos by sine. Cos by sine is what? Cot. Tan into cot is what? Tan x into cot x. Answer is what? 1. So 1 plus remaining part as it is, that is secant square x into log sin x into log sin x. So answer is y into 1 plus secant square x into log sin x. Okay, right. Let us see next problem. Right, functional relation. One problem is there. Let f of x plus y by 2 is equal to f of x plus f of y by 2. This is the given condition. For all real x and y, means x and y are real numbers. Okay. If f dash of 0 exists, means what? Derivative exists at x is equal to 0. And one more value, f dash of 0 value is given minus 1. F dash of 0 minus 1. And second condition, f of 0 also what? 1. Then find the value of what? F of 2. Find the value of f of 2. That is the question. Right? Simple thing here. Actually, we want f of 2. If you know the value of f of x, if you know the value of f of x, f of 2 we can easily find out. Correct or not? Right. So, how to find f of x? How to find f of x? We can solve this question in different methods. Okay. Now, I am explaining this question in 3 methods. Okay. Right. Let us coming to first method. What is that first method? Before solving this question, see here I am writing few simple formulas. In 11th standard, observe that chapter differentiation, first principle word is there. What is that first principle formula? First principle formula is what? That formula here I am writing. F dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole divided by how much? H. Okay, right. And the second point, see, limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c by x minus c. Limit x tends to c, f of x minus f of c by x minus c exists finitely. Exists finitely. Then function is said to be differentiable and it is denoted by what? Right, and it is denoted by f dash of c. F dash of c. Right. This is first principle formula. This one also what? Derivative formula. Okay. See here. In this problem, we will use these two formulas. Understood? Right. Now, let us coming to first principle formula I am taking. F dash of x. Right. F dash of x. F dash of x formula is what? Limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole divided by h. Okay, that is the formula for what? F dash of x. Okay, now actual given conditions, you observe this one. Given condition is there, f of x plus y by 2. X plus y by 2 is the left hand side part. Okay, so for our convenience, I am writing this first step like this. See, limit h tends to 0. Okay, now f of x plus h value you write in this format. In this format means here denominator value is what? 2. So multiply divide with 2. Multiply divide with 2. So f of 2x plus 2h whole divided by 2. Multiply divide with 2 minus this part as it is I am writing f of x whole divided by h. Whole divided by h. Now you observe this one. Next step, limit h tends to 0. Right? It is in the form of what? F of x plus y by 2. X plus y by 2 format is there. So here in place of x, what is that value here? 2x. In place of y, 2h. So replace x by 2x and y by 2h in this equation. Understood? Right. What will happen? You see here answer is f of 2x plus f of 2h whole divided by 2 minus f of x by h. Okay, right. Then next you find out f of 2x value. But in this question you observe this one. Anywhere the f of 2x value is given? No. So you have to find f of 2x. How to find f of 2x value? Okay, let us see. Once again I am taking this condition. See next slide. What about our condition? F of x plus y by 2. See here, once again I am writing first principle formula. F dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole divided by h, and next formula is what? F dash of c is equal to limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c by x minus c. Okay, so here f dash of x will be what? First principle formula I am writing limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x whole divided by h. that is equal to limit h tends to 0. Now what I told here, this value you write in this format. In this format means denominator 2 is there, but here there is no 2. So adjustment multiply divide with 2. So f of 2x plus 2h by 2 minus f of x whole divided by h, that is equal to limit h tends to 0. It is in the form of what? F of x plus y by 2. Now apply this formula. F of 2x plus f of 2h by 2 minus f of x whole divided by h. Okay, right. Now here f of 2x is there, but we don't know f of 2x value. Using this value and given condition, using these three conditions, I am finding f of 2x value. Okay, let us see. Once again I am using this condition. What about that condition here? F of x plus y by 2 is equal to, condition is f of x plus f of y whole divided by 2. This is the condition. Okay, right. Now I am calculating actually f of 2x value, and you have to use that given condition. What are that given conditions? F of 0 value is there and f dash of 0 value also given here. Okay, right. Using this condition means f of 0 is equal to 1 is there. Fine. See here, put any one variable is equal to 0. Any one variable is equal to 0. See, I am substituting y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0. What will happen? Y is equal to 0 means f of x by 2 is equal to f of x plus f of 0 by 2. Correct or not? Right. Next, this 2 shift this side. 2 implies 2 times f of x by 2 is equal to f of x plus f of 0. What about f of 0 value? 1. F of 0 is 1. Right. Now here actually we want f of what? 2x. Right. So replace x by 2x. Okay, then what will happen? You see, 2 times f of 2x by 2. 2x by 2 answer will be what? X is equal to f of 2x plus 1. That implies, see here, f of 2x, how much answer is there here? F of 2x is equal to 2 times f of x plus 1 it becomes minus 1. See here, we got f of 2x value. Correct or not? Right. This value you substitute in that limit part. See here, where you substitute in this part. Okay. Now, f dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0. Just see here value. F of 2x plus f of 2h by 2. Okay. For our convenience, first LCM find out. What about LCM value here? 2. Okay. 2 times LCM is 2 and whole divided by h is there. Okay. Directly I am writing 2h. Numerator value will be what? F of 2x plus f of 2h f of 2h next 2 times this minus 2 f of x minus 2 f of x. Okay, right. Now simplification, you see, limit h tends to 0. F of 2x. What about f of 2x value? Right, this value I am writing here. 2 times f of x f of x minus 1 plus f of 2h. X is equal to h right here. Answer will be what? 2 times f of h. 2 times f of h minus 1. This value as it is I am writing. Minus 2 times f of x whole divided by 2h. Right. Just you observe this one here. Cancellation possible or not? Possible. Minus 2f of x plus 2f of x cancel. Then remaining is what? See here I am writing. Limit h tends to 0. To f of h to f of h minus 1 minus 2 whole divided by 2h. Numerator common term is 2. 2 cancel. Remaining is what? Limit h tends to 0. F of h minus 1 whole divided by h. Right? Now, for our convenience, 1 means f of 0 I am writing. Limit h tends to 0. F of h minus f of 0 whole divided by h. Okay, right. Then what about this answer? Just you observe this one. It is in the form of limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c by h means h minus 0 I am writing. X minus c. Formula for what? F dash of c. C means what? 0. So that is equal to f dash of 0. But f dash of 0 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1. See here, finally we got f dash of x, answer is minus 1. Correct or not? Right. See the next slide. Here we got f dash of x is equal to minus 1. Then how to find f of x? How to find f of x? Eliminate derivative. How to eliminate derivative? Integration. Right? Integrating on both sides with respect to x. So derivative integration cancel. So answer will be f of x is equal to integral of minus 1 dx minus integral 1 dx will be what? X. So minus x plus some constant c. Okay. Here we got f of x is equal to minus x plus c. How to find c value? Once again use that given data. We know that f of 0 is what? 1. So put x is equal to 0 here. F of 0 is equal to minus 0 plus c, that is c. But f of 0 is what? 1. Right? C value substitute. Therefore, f of x is equal to minus x plus 1. See here, we got f of x is equal to minus x plus 1. I think this method is very lengthy one. Correct or not? Right. I am explaining this question in another method. Let us see second method. What about our given condition? F of x plus y by 2 is equal to f of x plus f of y by 2. This is the given condition. Correct or not? Okay. See here. For our convenience, I am writing some adjustment here. F of x plus y by 2 can be written as x means 1 into x. Any problem? Right. Y can be written as 1 into y. Whole divided by 2 means I am writing 1 plus 1. Similarly, right side also you see. F of x can be written as 1 into f of x plus f of y means 1 into f of y whole divided by 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. Okay, right. Why I am writing here like this? X means 1 into x, y means 1 into y. Just you observe this one. It is in the form of some mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Right side also you see some mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Right. So mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. That formula is what? Section formula. Correct or not? Right. So given equation which satisfies section formula for abscissa on LHS and ordinate on RHS. Okay, which satisfies section formula for abscissa on LHS and ordinate on RHS. Hence, f of x must be linear function because as only straight line satisfies such section formula. Only straight line satisfies such section formula. Okay. So, f of x must be what? Linear function. Therefore, f of x is equal to ax plus b. Now you find AB values. Problem is over. Right? How to find AB? Use given values. What are that given condition? First value is f of 0 is equal to 1. So put x is equal to 0 here. A into 0. 0. Remaining is b. But f of 0 is what? 1. So b value is 1. Okay? Right. Next, differentiate this function. F of x derivative is what? F dash of x. Ax derivative is a. B derivative 0. Now put x is equal to 0. F dash of 0 is equal to a. But f dash of 0 is what condition? Minus 1. Right? Put a, b values in this function. Implies f of x is equal to minus ax. See here, a value plus ax only. A value is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into x, minus x. Plus b. B value how much we got? 1. See here, we got in this method f of x is equal to minus x plus 1. In first case also we got minus x plus 1. So second method is very easy. Correct or not? Right. I am explaining this question in using third method also. Just you observe that third method. F of x plus y by 2 is equal to f of x plus f of y whole divided by 2. Okay, right. Third method, here I am differentiating this equation with respect to x partially. Okay, differentiate with respect to x or y. Okay, now I am differentiating this equation with respect to x partially. Last session we discussed that word partially. Partially means treat y as constant. Okay, right. Now it is in the form of f of x. F of x derivative is f dash of x. So f dash of x plus y by 2 into derivative of x plus y by 2. X derivative is 1. Y constant. Constant derivative 0. So by 2 is equal to, right side you observe this one. F of x derivative is what? F dash of x. F of y constant. Constant derivative 0. Whole divided by 2. 2 cancel. Right? Remaining is what you see here. Remaining is f dash of x plus y by 2 is equal to f dash of x. Okay, right. Now f dash of x. Use given conditions. What are the conditions? F of 0 value is 1 and f dash of 0 value is minus 1. See, we know that f dash of 0. Here f dash of x is there. So put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. And put y is equal to, here actually we want f of x value we want. So if you are substituting x is equal to 0, remaining is what? Y by 2, correct? But actually we want f of x. So y by 2 is equal to x, right? Then y value is what? 2x. So put y is equal to 2x. Okay, substitute here. Answer will be f dash of 0 plus 2x. 2x by 2. 2 cancel. X. F dash of x is equal to f dash of 0. F dash of 0 is what? Minus 1. Now integrating on both sides. Integration derivative cancel. F of x. That is equal to what? Integral of minus 1 is? Right, minus x plus c. Now put x is equal to 0. F of 0 is equal to c. But f of 0 is what? 1. Substitute here. Therefore, f of x is equal to minus x plus 1. See, in all the three cases, we got f of x is equal to minus x plus 1. But actually calculate what? F of 2. So put x is equal to 2 here. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is what? Minus 1. Right? So, here observe this one, functional relation concept. We discussed this problem in 3 methods. I think third method, second methods are easy compared to first method. Correct or not? Right. In next session, I will explain with some other topic. Thank you.